Best hand mixers. Are you looking for the best hand mixers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best hand mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper, BHM 800 BTR, in black truffle is a premium hand mixer designed for efficiency, convenience, and quiet operation. It features a 240-watt DC motor, delivering powerful and consistent mixing while maintaining low noise levels. One of its standout features is Beater IQ technology, which automatically detects the type of attachment used and adjusts the speed accordingly. This ensures optimal mixing performance for different ingredients, from delicate batters to thick doughs. The mixer offers 9 speed settings, allowing precise control for various recipes. The soft scraper beaters are designed to mix quietly and efficiently without scratching bowls. They reduce noise while ensuring thorough mixing, making them ideal for baking enthusiasts. Additionally, the mixing light provides better visibility, helping users monitor the texture of their ingredients. The pause function temporarily stops mixing, allowing for easy adjustments without splattering. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Included with the mixer are 2 scraper beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 balloon whisks, offering versatility for different baking needs. The snap-on storage case keeps all attachments organized and easily accessible. In summary, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper, BHM 800 BTR, is a high-quality, feature-packed hand mixer with intelligent speed control, quiet operation, and ergonomic design. It is an excellent choice for home bakers looking for precision, convenience, and durability in a compact, easy-to-use appliance. Number 2. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer is a powerful and versatile 9-speed handheld mixer designed for effortless mixing, whipping, and kneading. It features a 220-watt motor with automatic feedback, ensuring consistent power for various mixing tasks, from light batters to thick doughs. With 9 speed settings, users can choose the ideal speed for different recipes. The one-touch speed control makes adjustments easy, while the slow start function prevents splattering when mixing wet or dry ingredients. The mixer comes with a range of attachments, including 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, a chef's whisk, and a spatula, making it suitable for various baking and cooking needs. All attachments are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. For added convenience, the snap-on storage case keeps the mixer and accessories neatly organized. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use. In summary, the Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer is a powerful, user-friendly, and well-equipped kitchen tool with multiple speed settings, durable attachments, and a convenient storage case. It is an excellent choice for home bakers seeking efficiency and reliability in a compact design. Number 3. Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Mixer, RHM100, is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool that combines convenience with high performance. This cordless hand mixer is designed for ultimate flexibility, allowing users to mix, whip, and blend without the limitations of a cord. With a 5-speed control, the mixer provides a range of speeds to accommodate various tasks, from gentle mixing to high-speed whipping. Equipped with a high-performance rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the EvolutionX offers up to 20 minutes of continuous use on a full charge, making it ideal for small to medium mixing tasks. The charging base provides easy storage and ensures the mixer is always ready for use. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, reducing strain during extended mixing sessions, while the lightweight build enhances maneuverability. It includes 2 stainless steel beaters, perfect for whipping, mixing, and kneading, and is compatible with additional attachments like a whisk or dough hooks, sold separately. The LED charge indicator light lets users know when it's time to recharge, adding to the convenience. The mixer's compact design allows for easy storage, making it a great option for kitchens with limited space. In summary, the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless hand mixer, RHM100, is a powerful, convenient, and versatile tool that combines cordless freedom, a range of speed options, and a lightweight design. Perfect for home bakers and cooks, it delivers reliable performance while offering ease of use and storage. Number 4. Smeg 50's Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer. The Smeg 50's Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer combines vintage charm with modern functionality, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. This hand mixer features a powerful 250-watt motor that efficiently handles a variety of mixing tasks, from light batters to heavier doughs. The mixer offers 5 speed settings, allowing for precise control over different mixing needs. It also includes a turbo boost function for quick, high-speed bursts of power, perfect for tough mixing jobs. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the mixer's lightweight design reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Included with the mixer are a set of beaters, dough hooks, and whisks, offering versatility for various recipes. The stainless steel attachments are durable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The retro design features smooth curves and a vibrant cream color, adding a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen counter. The anti-slip base ensures stability during use, while the eject button allows for easy removal of the attachments when finished. The mixer's compact size makes it easy to store, even in smaller kitchens. In summary, the Smeg Cream 50's retro-style electric hand mixer is a stylish and functional kitchen tool that offers modern performance with a vintage aesthetic. Its powerful motor, multiple speed settings, and included attachments make it perfect for a variety of mixing tasks, while its charming design adds a retro touch to your kitchen. Number 5. Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer. The Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer, HM5130, is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool designed to make mixing, whipping, and kneading tasks easier and more efficient. With a 500-watt motor, this hand mixer delivers robust performance, handling everything from light batters to thick dough with ease. Featuring 9 speed settings, the HM5130 provides precise control for various recipes, whether you're gently folding ingredients or whipping up a fluffy meringue. The turbo function offers an extra boost of power for tougher mixing jobs, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. One of its standout features is the SmartMix technology, which positions the motor directly above the beaters, helping to reduce strain on the user's hand and wrist. This design enhances comfort and ensures a more natural grip, especially during extended mixing sessions. The mixer comes with stainless steel beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, providing versatility for a range of cooking and baking needs. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, while the easy-to-use eject button allows for quick removal of the attachments for hassle-free cleanup. The compact design of the Braun MultiMix makes it easy to store in smaller kitchens, and its dishwasher-safe attachments simplify post-use maintenance. In summary, the Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer, HM5130, is a powerful, user-friendly appliance with a 500-watt motor, 9 speed settings, and SmartMix technology for a more comfortable mixing experience. Its durable stainless steel attachments and ergonomic design make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile hand mixer for a variety of tasks.